If I'm out in Kohak, don't say hi. I got a stick in that bitch 4-5. You know at my lowest, I'm still getting high. And if I'm with Lois, I'm blowing inside. Vegas a bitch, but I'll let it slide. Stewie the goat, I think that he buy. Brian my duck and I fuck on my wife. But that's just a life of a family guy.
Seems today that all you see is crackers and whores. All MTV, bitch, this is Kohak, this is the streets. Shout out to Joe, but fuck the police.